In this video, I'll show you how to auto-deploy to Vercel with GitHub Actions. Auto-deploying to Vercel with GitHub Actions is useful when you want your website or app to deploy automatically whenever you push updates to GitHub. This is commonly used for projects built with frameworks like Next.js, React, Vue, Svelte, or other front-end tools. First, make sure your project is already pushed to a GitHub repository, then open Vercel and sign into your account. If your project is not added to Vercel yet, import the GitHub repository and complete the normal setup once, including the framework preset, build command, output directory, and environment variables. Next, you need a Vercel token. In Vercel, open your account settings and go to the Tokens section. Create a new token, copy it, and keep it private. Now go to your GitHub repository. Click Settings, then open Secrets and Variables, and choose Actions. Create a new repository secret called Vercel_token, then paste your Vercel token. You will also need your Vercel organization ID and project ID. The easiest way is to install the Vercel CLI locally, connect the project, and check the generated Vercel project settings. Add these values as GitHub secrets named Vercel_org_ID and Vercel_project_ID. Next, create a workflow file in your repository. Go to .github/workflows and create a file named vercel-deploy.yml. Inside the workflow, set it to run when you push to the main branch. The workflow should check out your code, install dependencies, pull Vercel environment information, build the project, and deploy it using the Vercel CLI. After creating the workflow file, commit it to your repository. Now go to the Actions tab in GitHub and open the workflow run. If everything is configured correctly, GitHub Actions will build your project and deploy it to Vercel automatically. If the deployment fails, check the logs carefully. Common issues include missing secrets, wrong project ID, failed build commands, or missing environment variables. Once it works, every push to your main branch can trigger a fresh Vercel deployment without manual uploading. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.